Hello, my name is Claude Paulus. I'm the CEO of a German company in Regensburg. 6 months ago, I decided to work with the Web UX team because I want to change my marketing strategy, and it was the best decision I've ever taken. All the clients who call me now said that my website is absolutely amazing to work. The website was created, designed by growing and done completely by the Web UX team with everything inside. I have amazing results since they are doing my SEO, since they are doing my Google Ads. I would recommend to work with the Web UX team to every company in Germany. I already worked with other companies who are doing or who did my marketing, but the communication, the professionalism which the Web UX team I have never had before. So really thumb up for this absolute professional company, for all the persons who are working there. So nice, so gentle, so professional. Really big thumb up, 100% working with them.